Hello friends, welcome back. നമ്മൾ ഇന്ന് മെയ് 1 to 7 കറണ്ട് അഫയേഴ്സിന്റെ വീക്ക്ലി റിവ്യൂ ആണ് നടത്താൻ പോകുന്നത്. ഫസ്റ്റ് സെക്ഷൻ നാഷണൽ ന്യൂസ്. തരുൺ ബജാജ് അപ്പോയിന്റഡ് ആസ് ഇക്കണോമിക് അഫയേഴ്സ് സെക്രട്ടറി. നെക്സ്റ്റ്, മിനിസ്ട്രി ഓഫ് കോൾ launched a project monitoring unit. Next news, NCSTC and Department of Science and Technology launched YASH to fight against COVID-19. Next news, Ajay Tirki took charge as Secretary of Women and Child Development Ministry. Next news, Shikha Sharma appointed as the advisor of Google Pay India. IIT Madras Professor T. Pradeep selected for Nikkei Asia Prize 2020. Tangjun Dabali Singh conferred Order of Rising Sun by Japan. Ramayana became highest viewed entertainment program globally. Kaveri Water Management Authority brought under Jal Shakti Ministry. India ranked 53rd in Budget Transparency IBP's Open Budget Survey 2019. Government of India has raised the minimum support price for minor forest produce of 49 items. CSIR Central Road Research Institute developed Kisan Sabha app. Arvind Kumar Sharma appointed as Secretary to Micro, Small and Medium Enterprises Ministry. Giridhar Armane took charge as Secretary to the Ministry of Road Transport and Highways. Next, Professor Shobhana Narasimhan elected as an international honorary member to the American Academy of Arts and Sciences. Union Culture Minister Prahlad Singh Patel has released an e-book titled Professor B.B. Lal, India Rediscovered. Neyveli Lignite Corporation India Limited started the production of coal for the first time. Indian origin girl Vanessa Rupani named NASA's first Mars helicopter as Ingenuity. Shivaji in South Block, The Unwritten History of Proud People. The author is Girish Kuber. India's foreign exchange reserves declined by $113 million to $479.45 billion. National Mission for Clean Ganga operating under Ministry of Jal Shakti launched Ideathon. Indian Railway is operating Shramik special trains to ferry stranded migrants, workers, students and pilgrims across the country. Next news, World Bank approved $400 million multi-year financial support to help India. National Thermal Power Corporation Limited appointed Ramesh Babu as Director Operations. Yes Bank appointed Neeraj Dhawan as its Chief Risk Officer. Environment Ministry clears Central Vista's new Parliament building project. Prime Minister Narendra Modi to participate in first ever Non-Aligned Movement Summit. Next news, One Nation, One Ration Card scheme, 5 more states and union territories added. Narendra Singh Tomar, our Agriculture Minister, launched the Saras collection on Government e-Marketplace portal. Dar Yasin, Mukhtar Khan and Chennai Anand have been honored with the 2020 Pulitzer Prize. Amayo launched Video KYC engagement platform for the banking and finance sector. Dr. Harshavardhan launched a multimedia guide on the COVID-19 disease named COVID Katha. Next news, Facebook partnered with Bollywood to I4 India concert. Next, Hum Har Nahi Manenge song released by HDFC Bank. Next news, Bamboo Conclave held via video conferencing. CSIR IGIB signed MOU with Tata Sons for licensing of know-how for Feluda. Krishnan Ramachandran appointed as MD and CEO of Max Bupa. Saurabh Lodha honored with the Young Carrier Award in Nanoscience and Technology. Operation Samudra Setu launched by Indian Navy. Indian Institute of Technology Alumni Council has launched a COVID-19 test bus in Mumbai, Maharashtra. National Institute for Transforming India Niti Aayog launched the Surakshit Dada Dadi Nana Nani Abhiyan campaign. Punjab National Bank Housing Finance partnered with IIT Delhi for reusable PPE. Vijayant at Kargil, The Life of a Kargil War Hero book released, and the authors are V.N. Tapar and Neha Dwivedi. Ayush Minister Sripad Yesso Naik and Health Minister Harshavardhan jointly launched 3 Ayush-based studies related to COVID-19 situation. Inspire developed nanomaterials-based supercapacitors to achieve high energy density and power density of supercapacitors. Indian Meteorological Department started to include Jammu and Kashmir, Ladakh, Gilgit-Baltistan and Muzaffarabad in its meteorological subdivision of Jammu Kashmir. Ministry of Tourism launched Dekho Apna Desh logo design contest. Indian Council of Agriculture and Research released advisories to the fisheries sector in 12 languages. National Gallery of Modern Art organized a virtual tour to commemorate the 159th birth anniversary of Gurudev Rabindranath Tagore. Next news, Ministry of Civil Aviation and Directorate General of Civil Aviation launched a government authorization for relief using drones portal. Next news, Government of India begins its evacuation exercise Vande Bharat mission to bring Indians stranded abroad. Ministry of Power and New and Renewable Energy released a report on the impact of energy efficiency measures for the year 2018-19. Lost at Home report of UNICEF says largest number of children displaced in the year 2019. Next news, Bharat Dynamics Limited signs MOU with IIT Kanpur to manufacture ventilators for COVID-19 treatment. Next section, international news. USAID announced $3 million to support India's effort to combat COVID-19. International Energy Agency has released a report, namely Global Energy Review 2020, Virtual G20 Digital Economy Ministers Summit held. A book titled The Room Where It Happened, a White House memoir authored by John Bolton released. Hezbollah classified as terrorist organization by Germany. Demo 2 mission will send astronauts to the International Space Center. Next news, China to launch its official digital currency. Next, United States Food and Drug Authority, US FDA, allowed emergency use of antiviral drug Remdesivir for treatment of COVID-19 patients. Mustafa al-Kadhimi becomes a new Prime Minister of Iraq. European Union hosted online coronavirus global response international pledging conference. Iran to replace its currency rial with another basic unit of currency called Toman. Next section, states news. Jammu and Kashmir administration inked Memorandum of Understanding with Tata Technologies to build 2 CIIT centers. KVG Bank launched Vikas Abhaya loan scheme. Chhattisgarh gives maximum jobs under Mahatma Gandhi National Rural Employment Guarantee Act aimed lockdown. Chakhao, the black rice of Manipur, and the Gorakhpur, Uttar Pradesh terracotta have bagged the geographical indication tag. AIIA organized Ayuraksha program with Delhi police. NBWL permitted coal mining in part of Dahing Patkai Elephant Reserve in Assam. Tripura government launched agro-entrepreneur facilitation desk to boost economy. Karmi, boot robot deployed by Kerala government hospital. Bannerghata Biological Park came out with the animal adoption program. Kashmir saffron got geographical indication tag. Maharashtra government will provide free health insurance scheme to all citizens. Reserve Bank of India cancelled the license of CKP Cooperative Bank due to its financial instability. Assam government constituted an 8-member task force for the revitalization of the economy. Sushil Kumar Modi presented Rs 2,11,761 crore Bihar's budget for the year 2020-21. Uttar Pradesh made Arogya Setu app must for those in hotspot areas. Himachal Pradesh decided to start the Mukhyamantri Shahari Rozgar Guarantee Yojana. West Bengal government rolled out an exit app. Uttar Pradesh government has launched Ayush Kavach COVID app. Himachal Pradesh to start NIGA to educate family members of migrant returnees. Andhra Pradesh Chief Minister Y.S. Jaganmohan Reddy launched a mobile app CMAPP. Uttar Pradesh Chief Minister Yogi Adityanath launched the Ayush Kavach COVID app. Vizag gas tragedy, styrene gas was leaked from the LG Polymers plant in Visakhapatnam, Andhra Pradesh. Next section, sports news. FIFA launched #WeWillWin campaign to pay tribute to health workers. India has slipped to the third spot in International Cricket Council Test rankings. Sania Mirza, first Indian to be nominated for Fed Cup Heart Award. Commonwealth Games Federation has postponed the 7th season of Commonwealth Youth Games 2021. Egypt's tennis player Youssef Hossam gets lifetime ban from TIU. FINA postponed 2021 World Championships to May 2022. Sandeep Kumari banned for 4 years for failing dope test. Peter Ebdon announced his retirement from professional snooker. Australia has abolished the use of saliva and sweat to shine ball under COVID-19 guidelines. Next section, Science and Technology. Janaushadhi Sugam app to access generic medicine benefits to 3,25,000 users. Glenmark Pharma became the first company to get nod from DCGI for clinical trials of Favipiravir tablets. CSIR-CSIO developed electrostatic disinfection machine for disinfection. Nitin Gadkari launched MSME Bank of Ideas Innovation and Research portal. Ministry of Shipping has launched its reconstructed website. Indian Institute of Geomagnetism has developed fluid simulation code to study electric field structure in the magnetosphere of the Earth. National Science and Technology Management Information Report, India placed third in scientific publication. National Institute of Animal Biotechnology developed eCovSense. SETIMT developed two types of swabs and viral transport medium for COVID-19. DRDO developed ultraviolet disinfection tower UV blaster. USGS released first detailed geological map of the moon. Next section, importance of the day. International Labour Day 2020 observed globally on May 1st. Maharashtra and Gujarat celebrated State Formation Day on May 1st. 2nd May globally observed as World Tuna Day. World Press Freedom Day is celebrated on 3rd May. International Firefighters Day is observed on May 4th. International Day of Midwives is observed on 5th May and World Hand Hygiene Day is 5th May. World Asthma Day 2020 observed on 5th May. World Athletics Day 2020 observed globally on 7th May and Vesak Day 2020 observed globally on 7th May. Next section, obituaries. Padma Shri awardee Hema Bharali passed away. She was a freedom fighter. Chuni Goswami, who was former Indian football captain, died. Dennis Goldberg passed away. He was an anti-apartheid activist. Ronald Vivian, an eminent author and columnist, passed away. Ajay Kumar Tripathi passed away. He was former Chief Justice of Chhattisgarh High Court. Noted playwright, dramatist, scriptwriter and film director Vijay Mishra passed away. Former Union Minister Dalit Edimalai died at 74. These are the major current events happened during May 1st to 7th. Thank you.